Hey everyone, welcome back to the Den Fireworks. Today's video, we are doing Monster Truck by Epic Fireworks. This is a 16 shot, 200 gram, and the little bit I've seen from the Epic line has been awesome. So I grabbed another Fireworks Forever order. I picked up some more of the 200 grams to give a look at, and some of the 200 gram zippers. They still have a ton of canister shells I want to see, but working on saving up money for that one. Now this little cake sounds right up my alley though. Performance is crackling mines to red, green, cyan, blue dahlia with green, red, golden strobe or crackling. So we got crackle mines going up to a lot of colorful breaks, and then we're gonna have strobing lace or crackling after the break. This sounds right up my alley. We've got the low filled up with the mines, we got the big break, and we get that lingering ghost effect as well. Well, okay, not really ghost, but strobe or lace effect. Taking the top off of this cake, there's no wasted space. We have 16 good-sized bores in this one, and the plugs are riding pretty high too, that they're right about here on this cake as well. So I'm hoping this is going to be another epic cake, but we're going to find out together, everyone. Once more, because I bought a case of these, I'm going to fire one off by itself. Then I'm going to have 3 light up at the exact same time, and then we can see how consistent they are, how much they stay in order, and how much we can fill up the field and the sky with just some cheap 200 gram cakes. So let's take this monster truck out back, fire it up, and start doing some jumps in it. Thanks, everyone. Monster truck. Times 3. Monster truck. Times 3.